Hi dear all students. In the last video we started already properties of soil and we learn about how the property of color matter for soil. Today I told you yesterday also that we'll see one experiment here. When we visit to each other, definitely student will go in a science lab, a beautiful lab, and there with the help of apparatus we'll do this practical. We have science general 2 for completion of practical side, and we'll take that also time to time. Let's hope just this corona disease will go fast and will visit to each other, hope so, in future days as early as possible. So student, what we see in this sample A, B, C here, these are apparatus means things which were required for performing a practical. Three measuring cylinders we have and three glass funnels. Measuring cylinder, you can see student here, the cylindrical shape glass like structure which have measurement on that. तुम्ही बघू शकता ते ग्लासाच्या आकाराचं गोल उभं भांडं आहे ज्याच्यावरती मेजरमेंटच्या लाईन्स आहे स्केलप्रमाणे एक साईड दॅट कॅन गिव अस एक्झॅक्ट मेजरमेंट ऑफ लिक्विड लेवल्स. तुम्ही औषधांच्या बॉटलच्या झाकणावरती बऱ्याच वेळेला असं मेजरमेंट आपण बघतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल यू कॅन सी द बॉटल ऑफ मेडिसिन or syrup, liquid syrup, how much doses we have to take, like that measurements are there on that. And upside to this glass funnel we required on the cylinder we required glass funnels. That funnel shape we can lot of times you may saw at home in old days or now also. Those are using kerosene for the stove purpose. How they are filling that kerosene in that stove container, त्याला मराठीमध्ये आपण नरसाळं असं पण म्हणतो. दॅट फनेल वी हॅव टू keep on each cylinder, 3 funnels on 3 cylinder. And filter paper we have to make it like a cone shape by rotating in one corner. Lot of type you made doing these cones with the help of paper or popcorn eating time. We saw that cone shape, that like that filter paper we have to make cone shape. बऱ्या वेळेला आपण फुटाणे शेंगदाणे घेताना बघा ती माणसं आपल्याला तो कोन शेप करून देतात. सॉरी स्टुडंट्स. and like that cone shape we have to make that of filter paper, and we required water for this experiment. Fine sand, total sand, पूर्ण वाळू आपल्याला पाहिजे. coarse sand means a sand which is a mixture of sand and soil. वाळू आणि मातीचं मिश्रण असलेली अशी काही सँड घ्यायची आहे. अँड सॉईल फ्रॉम ॲन अर्दन पॉट यूज फॉर ग्रोईंग प्लांट्स. झाड वाढवण्यासाठी आपण जी माती वापरतो झाडांमध्ये टाकायला, दॅट सॉईल वी हॅव टू टेक 3 सॅम्पल्स, 3 डिफरंट सॅम्पल इन 3 cylinders. What is the procedure, student? Fit cones of the filter paper in the 3 glass funnels. Fill the cones with equal quantities, that of A sand, B for sandy soil, and third is a clay respectively, that earthen pot, चिखल ज्याचा बनतो. Place the funnels on the measuring cylinders, and every cylinder from upside, from funnel side, we have to pour 1 test tube of water into each separately. प्रत्येक सिलेंडरमध्ये एक टेस्ट ट्यूब. व्हॉट इज अ टेस्ट ट्यूब? दॅट ऑल्सो आय विल डेफिनेटली शो यू इन सायन्स लॅब स्टुडंट. एक काचेची नळी असते, त्याच्यावर पण आपल्याला यू शेपची ती ट्यूब असते आणि त्याच्यावर पण मेजरमेंट्स येऊ शकतात. दॅट टेस्ट ट्यूब फिल विथ वॉटर, अँड एक ट्यूब आपल्याला एका सिलेंडरमध्ये टाकायची. ऑब्झर्व how much water is collected in each measuring cylinder. Definitely we will see this in science lab, what will happen and what inference will you draw from this. तुम्हाला यातून काय कळलं, what conclusion, inference you find out. You can see in the diagram what they shown actually. Sorry students for the disturbance. So this, when you are pouring the water, same water, but even though you can able to see student, downside level of water is not same. Even though we are pouring same amount of water from upper side, but downside level of water is different. You can observe in a proper way. First cylinder having sand, and which is sand, due to sand present, a cylinder water level is more. Second number is a mixture of sand and soil. Soil get dissolved in water and sand remain downside, so the level is medium. And where the clay is there, in that clay water is totally get dissolved, that clay is get dissolved, and that level of water is too less. So this experiment tell us lot of things. I will give a best example. Student, in your childhood maybe you learn or listen a story lot of times from your parents or grandparents, or in school maybe a clever crow. Did you remember something? हुशार कावळा. A clever crow is very thirsty and he suffer for water surrounding to him, and he saw a pot there which have very deep level water, and he cannot able to drink that because of the deep level. What he done? Remember? Yes, he pour one stone into that pot, and because of that sandy stone collected deeper due to gravitational force that goes down, and water levels come up, and then that crow able to drink that water. So same thing happen here, student. In a cylinder, because of sandy structure, water not get absorbed in that sand. त्या दगडांमध्ये पाणी शोषलं जात नाही आणि खाली दगडं राहतात, and water level come up. Second cylinder, soil is there, so that soil get dissolved and remaining due to the sandy structure, the level come in a medium zone. And in the last C cylinder, clay is there, the earthen pot soil is there, that's why that soil is get totally dissolved in water, water get absorbed in that soil, and water level seen to us is less. So this way, this technique is useful in various ways, in various areas, to take idea about the crop also, student. In a scientific lab, this is useful experiment for the farmers, that their soil structure is how, which crop can be possible in the area. If they want to take a borewell connection, how much deeper should the procedure, how much water should maybe sip in the soil. So all these criteria are useful in scientific way. Small experiment is shown here. I hope you understand this practical, and I again repeat, we'll take this practical when we visit to each other, definitely in our science lab, with using all the apparatus clearly, and you also able to handle them. I will teach you that when we visit. So student, till that time, be safe, pray for a visit to God as early as possible, remain in touch with video to complete your assignment given by all teachers. Be safe. You may do this experiment at your home level. You can take a glasses, three uh, glasses with your mother's permission, but because you are taking the glass, transparent glass that are maybe broke. So be safe. If you are want to do, you can do tissue paper, you can take instead of filter paper, and try this. Try, student. Till that time, be safe, be happy, remain in touch with video, subscribe channel, subscribe videos, and remain update. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.